roadside truck stop repairs. It's fine. It's fine. Come on, bro. Open the step. State line is right up there somewhere. Do you ever get the feeling that someone's watching you at all times? Because I don't. Not at all. Welcome to Vegas. We are here this weekend for the Fall Nationals. I don't know what it's called, but we're here for the second Vegas race. My birthday is this weekend, and on Monday I get to drive a race car. This is gonna be a good weekend. I can't wait. Welcome to Las Vegas Motor Speedway. We just got the motorhome in and parked, Mom and Ed's motorhome that is, and this weekend is going to be really, really cool. All of my family is here, from my grandpa, my grandma, to Tyler is coming, to Mom and Ed are here, Dad and Heather are here. Some of my friends might be coming, AJ might be coming, so this is going to be a really good weekend. Right now I am wandering over to our pit to grab the buggy so I can bring my stuff back over and I can say hi to everybody because they've been waiting for me to get here for like 2 hours. So I'm gonna go say hi and make sure they know I'm here. I see our pit. I'm gonna kind of sneak in and try and surprise them. Hello, funny car. Hi. Yeah, you're gonna get to go drive on Monday. You excited? Huh? You excited? Oh. Little car stuff. Little car. At some point, we're gonna build this trailer out into being a dedicated trailer for this little car, so we don't need the big trailer to come run it. We can just hook it up to the truck and go, so it's gonna go fast. It's ready to go. So a lot of the cleaning and everything we do on the chassis and the heads and the headers and everything we do is to make sure it's still safe. So one thing that I noticed is there's these cracks on the header when we took them off in Dallas. So we are gonna get this header fixed. There's a video on YouTube, I'll see if I can insert it right here, of a car going seriously sideways when one of the headers broke. So that's a big safety aspect, so we gotta make sure we get this header fixed before the heads go on the funny car.
Hi. Terry Haddock on the left, Jeff Deal on the right. Deal from Chicago last year, but watch Terry Haddock as the headers on the right side of the car start to brake and then push that car in the air for Jeff Deal. They almost pushed him over. Funny car, that's what's coming up next.
We came over and Dad kind of walked me through everything that I'm going to do in the car on Monday to make sure that I'm not going to mess anything up, that I have the procedure down, and we're going to go through and make sure I have everything, like I'll be strapped in the car and we're going to push it up to the line and do all of that stuff. But one thing that Scott, one of the drivers of the dragster, always talked about was like shadow driving, where he would go through all of the motions of what he's going to do. He was an airplane pilot, so he always did it with that, and he also did it when he was learning to drive Top Fuel. So that's what I've been sitting here doing, kind of practicing for a few minutes, getting ready to go while I wait for Dad. Both cars are packed up. We've got to go to the Fan Fest on Fremont Street, and the funny car is all the way together, but we have to be there. We're waiting on Cameron to get here. He's like 20 minutes out, but he's gonna ride with us to the autograph signing thing. That way he doesn't have to take his truck too. So we're waiting on him. I gotta go plug my phone in for a few minutes so that it doesn't die while we're gone. But this should be fun. Oh, and Anthony and I are gonna try and go do the zip line while the autograph signing stuff is happening. We picked up a Mr. Cameron and we are on our way to the autograph thingamabob. This is cool. I've never been to the whole Fremont Street thing at night before, only in the day. I'm gonna try and do that zip line.
Nobody's even by John Bush Academy to get there. And then Gianna never.
No, you lying.
This whole Fremont Street experience thing is cool, and I've never been here at night, and this place is wild. This is cool. Again, all the cool experiences that I've gotten to do through the race team, this is definitely one of them. There's this big zip line here at Fremont Street that you can do, and Anthony and I are gonna go over and do it. I did it once a few years ago, so we're gonna go try this again. Let's do it.
Whenever I say, oh, my odds are just suggestions, police are reimbursement.
I did not realize how tall that thing is, so
Very tall.
let's do it. Alright, we're about to go up. I'm not sure if they're gonna let me film, but this should be fun either way.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. You ready?
As will ever be.
Yeah.
Hope I don't die.
Yeah, hopefully we don't die. Holy crap. Okay, I gotta hide the GoPro for a second. Dude, this is so cool. Dude, this is awesome.
Come on!
Dude! Never give up! Dude, check this out! This is awesome! What's up, y'all? Dude, this is so cool! Check this out! That was epic. So what do you think of that, Mr. Anthony?
That's awesome.
That was
I
awesome.
want to go again.
Yeah.
Just as long as I don't die.
That was really cool. It was so cool just like flying out. You were like so high up. Yes, I do. Viva Las Vegas. This is cool. We're gonna wander back over and hang out. So this is pretty cool. According to our foreign exchange student Lee, this hotel back here is Biff's hotel from Back to the Future. That's pretty cool. What's up, bro? You ready for dinner, bro? We came to dinner. I got to drive. That was cool. Not even 16, and I've driven on the strip. That's a pretty cool accomplishment. So, and they're bringing us chips. Peace out. Mr. Terry's passed out in the trunk. Oh wait, no, he's not passed out. Run. Several minutes later, we think he's actually asleep. Maybe. We're like 15 minutes from picking Tyler up. He's excited to see us. Mr. Tyler. Idiot. There he is. What's up, Potato Chip?
Here, put it back here. You can put it right here.
Morning. It smells like a hot sub in here.
Fremont Street. Vegas. What an experience. We dropped Tyler off at the hotel and we're back. It's literally like 1 in the morning, so we're gonna go to bed. We will see y'all tomorrow. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and never give up.